Hey guys, so here I'm going to show you a quick demonstration of the Kia UVO Intelligence app. Here I have my 2019 Rio. I'm going to show you some of the remote services that it provides. So here you go. It lets me turn on the car, lock the car, control the horn and lights, and even the flashlights. So here I'm going to demonstrate me turning on the 2019 Rio. Just press the button and provide the password that you made when you created your Kia UVO Intelligence account. So I'm entering it here. And ta-da, you see that I started my Kia 2019 Rio. You could check your vehicle status as well, see if your engine's on, the doors are locked, and even the climate. You could play with a few of the settings. You can control the temperature for the different seasons, fall, winter, or hot summer day. And you could customize how long you want your car to be on. And you could even turn on the front windshield defrost and the heated steering wheel as well. What a cool setting. Man, this app does a lot of things for you. You could control your car. You can find your car if you lost it in the parking lot. If something happens, you can call roadside assistance, and it even gives you monthly reports on your vehicle to see if you have any upcoming service requirements that you need to do update with the vehicle. You got your preferred dealer location, which it would be Grimsby Kia, and a notification center, and you could select your car if you have multiple Kias in the family. So that was a quick demonstration of what the Kia UVO Intelligence app does. It provides a nice comfort and confidence for your vehicle.